Alright guys, we're gonna do this a little differently today because I didn't vlog while I was flying. So I'm gonna run through the build that I was flying, and then I'm gonna put together a little edit of the day. It was a construction site in the city I live in. So yeah, let's get looking at this build. So what I'm flying is the sub 250G FPV Carnage 3.5 V2. I've got the T-motor P1604 motors, I think 3800 kV for 4S. Got Rush Cherry antenna for the Vista, partially naked, with the Wasp camera from RunCam. I've got a HAKRC 40 amp AIO in there. Sketchily put in capacitor, glued in there because it was falling off one day. Got the Happy Model EP2 receiver stuffed in there. I fly with a RunCam Thumb Pro, which is obviously not in there right now. And that pretty much sums up the build because it's pretty simple, nice and tight, compact. It's beefy. I've beaten the crap out of this thing. Helped Phil design some arm guards for it. Oh, I've got HQ 3.5 props on right now. I think the flight is a mixture of these and some Gemfan 3520 props. I'm looking for some new suggestions on 3.5-inch props. And yeah, that's the build. Hope you enjoy the edit.